now?
Not needed. It's needed. If you know, that will be better for you.
Okay, ma'am.
And theta is equal to 3 phi. Find theta. So now these two angles are, which type of angles these are?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So theta plus phi is equal to 180 degrees. So what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 3 phi. 3 phi plus phi. It is just like x and y. So theta is x and this is y. So x is equal to 3y they have given. So x plus y is equal to 180. Value of x is 3y. So 3y plus y is equal to 180. So 4 phi is equal to 180. So phi is equal to 180 by 4. That is 4 4s are 16. 220, 4 5s are 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. So this will be 3 times. So theta is equal to 3 into 5. So 3 into 45. That is 135 degrees.
Ma'am, but we have to find out only phi.
Yeah, 5 then 45. So answer is 45.
Oh, ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt in question number 20.
20.
Means the figure of question number 20, I have a doubt.
So it is a incident this is a reflection. So PQ is the incident ray and the QR is reflected ray. So draw the normal at Q.
Ma'am, no, I have just found out that uh, with any incident ray, with any angle, if I incident it on the mirror, will AQP and RQB be equal?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to not write any reason for that.
No.
Okay.
Here only write down this angle and this angle is equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this angle is 90 and this angle is 90.
Yeah.
So this is I and this is R in case. So we'll take I and R are equal. So what
Yeah.
is I here? This angle is
X.
no 90 minus I, no?
Yeah, 90 minus I. Yeah.
And this will be
90
90 minus R. I and R are equal. So these two angles will be
equal. Okay.
equal. So I
Okay.
and R are equal in that case. So and I plus R is equal to 108.
Hmm.
So 2I is equal to in place of R substitute I. So I plus I
Yeah.
is equal to 108. So 2I is equal to 108. So angle I is equal to 54.
54 degrees.
So both the angles are 54. AQP they have asked. So
So
if
these
this
are
angle is
90
54, 90 minus 54 is this angle.
minus. Okay. Ma'am, and I have doubt in question number 11.
11.
Yes, ma'am.
Two complementary angles are such that twice the measure of one angle is equal to 3 times the measure of other angle. Two complementary angles are there. So one is x and the second one is 90 minus x. Okay.
Yeah.
Then twice the measure of one angle. Twice the measure of one angle is equal to thrice the measure of second angle.
Okay. Yeah.
So it is 2x is equal to 270 minus 3x. 5x is equal to 270. X is equal to 5 5s are 5 4s are 54.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, question number 4.
4. If one of the angle of triangle is 130 degrees, then the angle between bisectors of other two angles can be. One angle of the triangle is 130. This angle is 130. Then the angle between bisectors of other two angles. So these are the two angles. You can say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So bisector is this, and bisector is this. So this angle, if you consider O, then this BOC we have to calculate. So this is 130. Then what is the sum of B and C? A plus B plus C is equal to 180.
Yes, ma'am.
This is considered as X and X. And this is considered as Y and Y because these are bisectors. So A means 130, B is 2x, and C is 2y is equal to 180. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 50. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is x plus y is equal to?
25.
25. So x and y in triangle BOC, x and y sum is 25. So in that triangle BOC, angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to 180, angle sum property.
Yes, ma'am.
So OBC is x and OCB is y plus BOC is equal to 180. So what is x plus y value?
25.
25. That is equal to 180. So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 25. That is 155.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, of these type of things, you told some other formula. I forgot it.
Yeah. That formula is a 90 plus a by 2. That you have to prove. You are not using that directly. This way you have to solve, because that is not a theorem. That is one of the questions.
We can't use it directly.
No, directly you cannot use it. Means if it is MCQ, if it comes, then you can use it, but you will forget it, because when to do 90 minus a by 2 and when to do 90 plus a by 2 is a confusion.
Tell the identity fully. I just note it.
No, don't use that directly. But there is a problem because there are two questions. That's why today I'm solving those two questions. Those are important questions. Both are looks like similar, but the one, this one, what you have to prove is exactly the opposite of each other.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number 7.
7 question. Okay. So we have solved this in the this one NCERT question, that is. Madhusri, can you explain this? Madhusri, are you there? Madhusri, are you there? Yatin? Yatin, are you there? Whenever I'm asking, these people are not unmuting their mic.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Ganesh?
Ma'am, first we have to draw a line in the from the point B.
From the point B, we have to draw a line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
XY. You can name it XY.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to draw the angles from there, 130 and
This is 130. Sorry, this is
ma'am, 110,
110. This is 110 and this is 130.
130. Ma'am, angle OAB plus angle XBA is equal to 180 degree co-interior angle.
You told XY is parallel. Is it given? You only told XY, we have to draw through B. You told you have to draw XY line only, passing through B. Where you told it is a parallel?
No, it's parallel, ma'am.
It should be parallel. So you have to mention that in construction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this angle will be
70 degree.
70 degree. Okay.
And same like here also, angle DCB plus angle YBC is equal to 180 degree.
Okay.
Co-interior angle.
Right. And then this angle will be
50 degree.
50 degree.
And
Then
we can name A, B, C, X.
Okay.
Then
Already they have given.
XY is a straight line.
Yeah.
Angles on we have to add angles on straight line.
Okay. Right.
70 plus
70 plus
50.
x plus 50 is equal to 180.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
X
120
is
plus
equal to
x is equal to 180. X is equal to 60.
60.
Yes. Right, Ganesh. Any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Which one?
eight,
Eighth one.
ma'am.
Two angles are complements of each other. Then each angle is. Two angles are complement means the sum of those two angles is
90.
90. That means those two angles are always lesser than 90.
And it will be acute angle.
Acute angle, right?
And at back answer is given a right angle.
No, it's wrong. It's acute angle. Then each angle is an acute angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Because both the angles are sum is 90. That means obviously that is both the angles the sum is less than every angle is should be less than 90. So less than 90 means it's acute angle. Okay. Any other doubts, anyone?
Ma'am, I have doubt in question 23.
23. Okay. Anyone has done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daphne, can you tell?
Ma'am, I think the question is wrong because
C,
question
E, F. This angle you have to draw. You have to write.
is what?
It is CAB is 80. CEF is 25. EFC is
Can I
25.
say?
AB parallel to CD.
I've done it.
One second. She's telling. She's telling. Daphne's telling. Wait.
So AB is parallel to CD where AF is a transversal.
Hmm.
So angle DCF equals to 80 degree.
Yes, right.
Corresponding angles.
Okay.
I'm not able to hear you.
Join it again.
Okay. So angle D, okay, let's name that as O, the point of intersection.
This intersection. This is already given C, no?
Okay, I don't know. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, it is
So
already C is given.
angle DCF is an exterior angle, which is opposite to angle DEF and AFE.
Yeah.
So sum of angle AFE and DEF will be 80 degree.
Angle DCF is equal to angle CFE plus angle FEC.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 80. This is 25 plus FEC we have to calculate. That is minus 25, which is 65. 55.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question 15. I think there are two false statements in it.
One second. One by one I will finish. Is right? 23rd one. Got it? Chandra?
Yes, ma'am, I was asking about.
Rupika, sorry. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. And this angle is exterior angle for this triangle, CEF.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Any other doubts? Yeah, Anurag, which question number?
Ma'am, question 15.
15. Right. False statement. To a point, only one straight line can be drawn. No, wrong.
False.
Through 2 points, it is possible to draw one and only one straight line. That's right. Two straight lines can be can intersect only at one point. Yes, right. A line segment can be produced to any desired length. That's right.
Ma'am, how can a line segment be produced to any desired
If we
length?
want to produce, we can. It is the endpoints. It has endpoints, but the see the fourth postulate, fourth axiom. Fourth axiom, the same thing. Postulate, sorry, postulate. Fourth postulate. If you want to extend, you can extend it indefinitely.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubts? All done. Have you completed everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there are two questions important. I need to explain you those. So first question. Question has gone. In triangle ABC, write down the question. In triangle ABC, the bisectors of angle and angle C intersect each other at point O.
Ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Vishala? Here, this is the question. The same, till now you have done this as a solving question. The angles values were given. You have to calculate. Now here, values are not given. As a proof, we have to solve this question. So in this, what we will do, first draw the figure. So here, in triangle ABC, A, B, C. The bisectors of angle B and C. So this is a bisector and this is a bisector. They meet at point O, intersect at point O. So these are the bisectors. Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 plus A by 2. Here, so given OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. This question, these two questions are there, short, those will be, one of them will be there for all your exams. I will show you the last year papers also. They have asked this question. To prove, what we have to prove, angle BOC is equal to 90 plus half of angle A. No construction we are doing. Proof. We will consider this angle as X. This this is Y and Y. These are two equal angles, so Y. And this is Z we will consider. Okay. OB is bisector of angle B. So therefore, first you have to mention what is Y and what is Z. Angle ABO is equal to angle CBO, that is equal to, let it be, Y. And OC is bisector of angle C. So therefore angle ACO is equal to angle BCO, that is equal to Z. Okay. And now let angle BAC is equal to X. Is this clear? Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear what we have done till now? We have to show why we have taken a why we have taken these two angles equal. You have to mention that. Now use angle sum property. X plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 180. Angle sum property. So it is so x is equal to value of x or y plus z. So 2y plus 2z is equal to 180 minus x. So what is the value of y plus z then? Or take 2 common, is equal to 180 minus x. So y plus z is equal to 180 minus x by 2. This is equal to 180 by 2 minus x by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So 180 by 2 means
90.
90 minus x by 2. This is the value of y plus z. Consider this as equation 1. And now we need BOC, no? So we have to take OBC triangle. In this one, angle sum property can be used.
Yes, ma'am.
So triangle BOC. Angle BOC plus y plus z is equal to 180.
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute the value of y plus z here. What we got from the first equation. 90 minus x by 2 is equal to 180. What is angle BOC? 180. This 90 will transfer on that side. Minus 90. Minus x by 2 will become plus x by 2. So 180 minus 90 is 90 plus x by 2 is angle BOC. So what is x? We have, for what purpose we have taken x? X as angle A. So this is equal to 90 plus 1 by 2 angle A is equal to angle BOC. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the question. This is the question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
So you have to restart your computer or mobile, what you have used.
Can you slow it down?
Then ma'am,
Completed?
yes ma'am.
Similar question on the next one.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, actually from 23rd question you got disconnected.
Okay.
Ma'am, is this an important question?
Yes, very important.
Okay, ma'am, I'll go through the video.
Yeah, I will upload immediately video.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Now next question. Write down. In triangle ABC, sides AB and AC are produced. To point D and E. Respectively. The bisectors of angle DBC and ECB intersect at point O. prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of A. Here it is now 90. Angle BOC is equal to 90 minus sign is there here now. Okay, so read the question. This is somewhat similar to the earlier, but somewhat different also. How it is different, tell. Okay. So in triangle ABC, sides AB and AC are produced 2 point D and E. So first triangle ABC. This is ABC. AB is produced. One second. So AB is produced. So A from A, you have to start towards B and then produce it forward. 2 point D. And AC is produced 2 point E. Right? Now what they have told? The bisectors of angle DBC. So DBC, bisector of this angle. That means it should go somewhere in between. This is a bisector. And ECB is bisector. That means here. They will intersect at point O. Prove that this angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of A. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am. Won't it be equal to A?
No, they are not equal. Clear, meaning clear? Now this and this angle is equal because this is OB is bisector. This and this angle is equal. BC is because OC is a bisector. So here what we will do, we'll make it somewhat easier, somewhat difficult itself actually. So here we will consider this angle as X, this as Y, and this as Z. Okay. Now what is the angle? If ABC angle is Y, so what is angle CBD? Angle A is equal to X, angle ABC is equal to Y, and angle ACB is equal to Z we have considered. Now what is angle DBC?
180 minus Y.
1.
Full angle is 180 minus Y. So this full angle. This is Y, that means this angle is 180 minus Y. And this is Z, that means this angle will, full angle will be?
180 minus 8.
180 minus Z, right. Now each angle, now this value will be OBC angle should be then, if full angle is 180 minus Y, then what about angle OBC then?
180 minus y by 2.
Minus Y by 2.
180 minus Y by 2. Okay, the same thing here also. This full angle is 180 minus Z. So what about OCB angle? This part only?
180 minus Z by 2.
180 minus Z by 2 we got. Now use angle sum property here and here and try to equate each other. So these are Z we have considered. Now linear pair. Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to 180. Linear pair. So angle ABC is Y plus angle DBC is equal to 180 minus Y. Sorry, this is 180. Angle DBC is equal to 180 minus Y. Okay. So now OB is bisector of angle DBC. Therefore, angle OBD is equal to angle OBC, that is equal to half of angle DBC, that is half of 180 minus 2, 180 minus y. Similarly, for C part, so for the C angle, angle ACB and ECB is 180 sum, linear pair. Angle ACB plus angle ECB is equal to 180, linear pair. So this is Z plus angle ECB is equal to 180. Angle ECB is equal to 180 minus Z. And now OC is bisector of angle ECB. Therefore, angle ECO is equal to angle OCB, that is equal to half of angle ECB 180 minus Z, half of 180 minus Z, right? So mark this equation 1, this is equation 2. Now we have to use two triangles angle sum property. So here x plus y plus z is equal to 180. In triangle ABC, x plus y plus z is equal to 180. Angle sum property. So what is the value of y plus z? 180 minus x. Mark this as equation 1, this as 2, and this as 3. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now use this triangle OBC, angle sum property. So what you can write?
Angle OB.
180 minus y by 2 plus 180 minus z by 2 plus angle O equals 180 degree.
Yes, right. So in triangle BOC, 180 minus y by 2, 180 minus z whole by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees, angle sum property. Now simplify this. Divide separately. 180 by 2 minus y by 2, 180 by 2 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. 180 by 2 is 90 minus y by 2 plus 90 minus z by 2, angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 minus y by 2 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180. Now take all these terms on RHS because we need angle BOC is equal to. So this 180, now this 180 goes that side, minus 180 plus y by 2 plus z by 2. So this and this get cancelled. So this one we can write as y plus z by 2. What is the value of y plus z we got? 180 minus x. Substitute here. 180 minus x by 2. Reason is wrong one is equal to angle BOC. So angle BOC is equal to 90 minus x by 2 when dividing separately. So this will become 90 minus half of angle A because x is equal to A. We have considered. Proved. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any one of these two questions will be there in your exam. Sure, sure.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, give us homework for the holiday.
What?
You'll give us homework for the holiday.
Somewhat. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened? You don't need?
Ma'am,
You don't need?
it's okay, ma'am.
School, when they have not given any information about the school opening?
No, ma'am. Mostly it'll open after 2 months or after that.
After 2 months.
Yes, ma'am.
In August.
I guess.
Right now, online classes?
No,
I
ma'am.
don't know, ma'am. About it.
No information. Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Okay, 1 second.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Write it properly, all steps. Don't skip any of the steps.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done? So you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
solve these questions three times. Both the questions. This one and 6.3 last question.
Ma'am, with 6.3.
Ma'am, these two and
NCRT
6.3 last.
NCERT 6.3 sixth question. The chapter last question of exercise. And these two questions.
So all these 3 questions 3 times, so 9 times total.
Yes, 3 times. These are very, very important. Every test I will tell you these questions to solve. Okay. And till exercise 8 till 10th I have told you, no questions to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Are these two questions clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 11th, 12th and 13th exactly similar questions. 11th
Ma'am,
question.
same proving, ma'am.
RS. No. This is different. RS Agarwal. Exercise, chapter 8. 11th question. Only one exercise it has. 11th question. If one angle of the triangle is equal to sum of other two angles. One angle of the triangle is equal to sum of other two.
Should we write the question?
Yes. Tanya, are you able to hear me? Show that the triangle is right angle. Yes, one angle of the triangle is equal to sum of other two angles. Show that the triangle is right angled. So what they have told, one angle. Suppose we will consider A, B and C. So one angle is equal to angle A is equal to sum of other two angles. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So angle A is equal to angle B plus C. Now here what we have to do, add angle A both the sides. Adding angle A both sides. So angle A,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, can I reconnect? Actually, your voice is breaking a lot.
okay.
Thank you.
Is this happening for everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then A plus A is twice of angle A. And what is B plus C plus A is?
Ma'am,
180
180.
180 degrees. So what is angle A is equal to?
Ma'am, 90 degree.
180 by 2, that is 90 degree. Then one angle is 90. If it is angle, one angle is 90, then?
Then the triangle is right angled.
Yes, therefore, triangle is right angle. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why we added angle A on both sides?
Then only we will get the sum 180, no? So here B plus C we have. If we add A, then only we got the sum as 180.
Okay, ma'am. We are assuming that, ma'am.
Yeah, we are doing its calculation. Just like in linear equations, we are doing the same way here also we are doing.
Okay.
And remember this method because we are using this method many places. In the other chapters also, the remaining, the triangle chapter, quadrilateral.
Done, ma'am.
Exactly same question. The next one, 12th one also. If each angle of the triangle is less than sum of other two angles. sum of other two. Show that the triangle is acute angled. Show that the triangle is acute angled. Yeah, what happened? Yeah. Fine. What they have told here? Each angle of the triangle is less than sum of other two angles. Show that the triangle is acute angle. So when we can say that this triangle is acute angle,
When it is less than 90 degree.
all the angles are less than 90 degrees, then only we can say that the triangle is acute angle, right? So we have to show every angle is less than 90. So here what they have given, let A, B and C are angles of triangle ABC. What they have given, A is less than B plus C, as well as B is less than A plus C, and C is less than A plus B. This is given. So how to use it? Same as earlier one. A is less than B plus C. Add A both the sides. So what we will get? A plus A less than B plus C plus A. A plus A is 2A. What is B plus C plus A?
180 degree, ma'am.
180 degrees. So A is less than 180 by 2. That is A is
Ma'am,
less than 90
190.
degrees. So if A angle is less than 90 degree, that means A is acute angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, you have to show for B and C also. So they have given B is less than A plus C. So now what we have to do?
Adding B both
Mm,
sides.
Both the sides.
Adding both sides.
Adding B both sides now. Why? Because we need A plus B plus C. So A plus C we don't have B. So we have to add B. So P plus B is less than A plus C plus B. So 2B is less than 180 degrees. So B is less than 180 by 2. That is 90 degrees. B is less than 90 degrees. So therefore B is acute angle. Similarly for C, C is less than A plus B. So what we have to do?
Adding C both sides.
Adding C both sides. So C plus C less than A plus B plus C. So 2C less than 180. C is 180 by 2, sorry, less than. C less than 90 degree. So therefore C is acute angle. So both all three A, B and C are acute angles. So in triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C, all are acute angles. Therefore, triangle ABC is acute angled triangle. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Done? Have you finished?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you just show the question again? The network, it wasn't working properly, so I couldn't write the question down.
This is R.S. Agarwal. I've sent you, no, chapter 8, exercise 8.
Okay, the same question.
Same question, 12th one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. 13th is exactly same. Again, in this one, you have to show obtuse angle. 13th question is, if one angle of a triangle is greater than the sum of other two, show that the triangle is obtuse angled. Try this question by yourself. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Maybe. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, angle A is greater than angle B plus angle C they have given, adding A both the sides. So angle A plus angle A is greater than angle B plus angle C plus angle A. So twice of angle A is greater than 180 degrees. So angle A is greater than 90 degrees. So value of angle A is greater than 90. That means it is angle A is obtuse angle. Therefore, ABC is obtuse angled triangle. Okay? That's right. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, so we will stop here. So you have to finish only solving question of this exercise. Proving I will solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The questions will be question number 14, 15. Note down questions. Exercise 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Try. But I think so I need to solve that. 20, no. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Okay. These many questions you have to finish
Till Monday.
till Monday. Yeah. No test in this week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Then
next class on Tuesday.
next class will be on Monday. I will tell you the timings, what it can be.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Harshini, wait for
Thank you,
some.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Harshini, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when are the holidays?
Tomorrow onwards.
Tomorrow till next Monday.
Coming Monday.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Harshini, wait for some time. I need to talk. Others can leave.
Ma'am.
Yes.